Sometimes we create hundreds of variable products and set default attributes, but then we see that the variation is automatically selected when viewing the product in the front end, so it is necessary to remove those default attributes. However, it can be tedious if you don't have the necessary options to make those changes quickly. To help you with this, we'll show you how easy it is to remove the default attributes of variable products using the WP Sheet Editor plugin with its powerful search and bulk edit tools, with which you can filter and apply changes to thousands of products at once. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. To delete all default attributes from all variable products, we'll first open the search tool. Then just check here to enable the advanced filters. Select the type field. Leave equal as the operator. Select variable. And run the search. Now that all the variable products are displayed in the spreadsheet, let's open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the option that will allow you to change the filtered rows. Enter the field default attributes. Select the clear value edit type. And execute. After these simple steps, you'll have deleted all default attributes from all variable products. Another option is to delete default attributes from all variable products containing a specific keyword. To show you how, we'll use the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select a search for the rows to update. This will open the search tool, where you can filter your variable products by keyword, type, visibility, categories, tags, shipping classes, attributes, or you can even use the advanced filters to have more search options. In this case, I'm going to filter all the variable products that contain the keyword Christmas. So I'll enter the keyword here. Tick here to enable the advanced filters. Look for the type field. Use the equal operator. Then select the variable option. And run the search. Once we're back in the bulk edit tool, we'll select the default attributes field. We will choose the clear value option. And we execute the change. Now all our filtered variable products have been updated. If you want to delete the default attributes from all your variable products containing a category, attribute or tag, you can easily do it with the bulk edit tool. Once you open the tool, select this option to search for the rows to update with the search tool. For this example, we'll look for all variable products that belong to the shoes category. So I'll enter the category here. Check the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Enter the field type. We'll use the equal operator. Select variable. And run the search. Now we'll be redirected back to the bulk edit tool to continue editing. Next, select to edit the field default attributes. Select to clear the values. And execute. Now all our variable products will be updated. As you can see, deleting the default attributes from the variable products is really simple if you use the WP Sheet Editor plugin. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.